Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a beneficiary for your Fidelity account. Let's get straight into the video. The first method is online setup. So you can set a beneficiary through online setup, and how you want to do that is by accessing your Fidelity's account online and logging into your account. And then once you're logged in, just choose the accounts and trade option and then select account settings. And there you want to select the beneficiaries option and choose add a beneficiary. And now you want to enter the beneficiary's name, its address, date of birth, and of course the social security number, or you could use the individual taxpayer identification number. And now you want to specify the percentage of the account assets that you want to allocate to the beneficiary. And once that's done, just review the beneficiary details and confirm the setup. Now for the second method, which is the mobile app setup, how you want to do that is to first open the Fidelity mobile app on your device, and then just choose the accounts option and select account settings. And now just select the beneficiaries option and choose add a beneficiary. And now just follow the same steps as the online setup to get that done. Now for the third method, which is the phone setup, how you want to do that is to just simply call Fidelity's customer service. The number is right there on the screen to speak with a representative, and then just inform the representative that you want to set up a beneficiary for your account. Now you also got to share the beneficiary's information with the representative, including, of course, the name, address, date of birth, and social security number, or you could use their individual taxpayer identification number. And now just confirm the beneficiary details to make sure everything is correct, and they're going to help you to set that up. Now for types of beneficiaries that you can go with, of course there's a primary beneficiary, and that's the primary beneficiary is going to receive the account assets upon your debt. Now there's also contingency beneficiary, where the contingency beneficiary is going to receive the account assets if the primary beneficiary predeceased you. There's also charitable beneficiary, where a charitable organization is going to receive the assets upon your debt. Now a couple of tips and reminders for this. The first, of course, is to periodically review and update your beneficiary designation to ensure that they remain accurate and reflect your current wishes. The second, of course, is to consult with an estate planning attorney to ensure your beneficiary designations align with your overall estate plan. The third, of course, is to maintain the confidentiality of your beneficiary's designation to prevent unauthorized access or changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a beneficiary for your Fidelity account. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.